slight different look, but because these are all going to go in my white drawers, which I'm waiting for the handles for. Let's just see. Let us just see. Please be cute. They could either look like whale's tails, mermaid's tails, or something really weird. Like a peony tail. It's a booby check. Booby check. Let's just skip to the end because this is kind of boring. I feel like up. Up is going to be the winner. Okay, Ikea cabinet, which I've replaced the handles with. Now we just need to organize them. So I've picked out a few bits and pieces from my organizing stash, and we are just going to go through some trial and error and see what fits. But it's a waste of space, so this one's a maybe. Bit of a waste of space, and it's a maybe. It's a possibility, but it's again a bit of a waste of space. We can do better. It sort of helps it stay snug in place, so I do like that. And these are super flexible and customizable because you can basically put them anywhere you want. So that's a good option. And these are super affordable. These are from the Reject Shop, which is a dollar store in Australia. Very easily accessible. I think you can probably get the same sort of style on Amazon or pretty much anywhere. The most versatile storage, it is these from Amazon. I've purchased them twice before, and then after checking that these fit in here, I've actually ordered another set. Ordinarily I use these in my storage drawers by the front door for just everyday things that you need to pick up when you're going in and out of the house. So I need to replace those. I've ordered some more from Amazon so that I can replace them. I just need to stop talking and start organizing. I'm better at the organizing than at the talking. It's a bit clattery, so if you wanted to, you could probably line it with some of those rubber matting drawer liners. So that's an option for the top drawer where you've got lots of little bits and pieces. Depending on what you want to organize, I've got a bit of an idea of what I want in my top, most easily accessible drawer, but nothing set in stone, so we can just of the way because I use these all the time. We'll see. Nothing is set in stone. It is just a drawer. They're just organizers. You can switch it, chop it and change it as much as you like. So this is just take one. Are we going to be this obnoxious? That's reality. Come on. Reality. Let's get real. These colors, and the color of the pen is the color of the pen. The color of the ink is the color of the pen. Oh, there. Grippy. And shiny. That's enough fooling around. The old situation. They're good, but they're clunky. They're getting beat up. Pen marks. Really beat up from being jammed in drawers. And you've got to like double stack them. And it's just big, bulky and heavy. I think we can do better. So we're going to try and sort this out so it's a little bit more user friendly. Super affordable organizers from Daiso. I love going to Daiso for organizing options. Just look for ones that are kind of thick and sturdy. These are good and they come in a whole range so you can mix and match to suit your needs. Let's see what we can do. And I want to kind of separate them out into how we would typically use them. And these actually hold a surprising amount of pens. Like this holds all these except one. I wouldn't typically use these when I'm using these, so I'm going to pop them in here for now and see how we go. There's one down. Handful, and you wouldn't think it would fit in a little teeny tiny pocket space like that, but you can easily get out the ones that you want. If they're too jammed in, it makes it a pain to try and get the colors that you want, but this is like typically all over the felt tip pens, so that's the kind that we would use together. This is when my niece comes over, she uses these, so we don't really use them anymore, we just save them for when she comes over. So I don't know if we'll include these in here. These are just 2 random Copic markers and a bunch of Sharpies, so I'm not sure if I would include these in sort of the colouring in. Maybe these could go here. I don't like mixing up stuff. Pencils, I think we could keep separate. So then typically fine liners and brush pens here. these ones here. And these are iron lac and smiggle biro type pens. Another one done. We've got these, but a lot of these are all used up. They're old smiggle gel pens, gel glitter sparkle pens. I need to go through these and test them one by one. This enough though. This is taking up prime real estate. I feel like these could go to a lower drawer, and this could be maybe used for something else. I do like how it fits though, but I just don't think I use this, probably not even this enough to justify it being front and center prime top spot. And I've got space to go to Daiso and get some more. And these I use in my planner like all the time. I've only got a few at the moment because I haven't set up this month, well next month, which is tomorrow. So I've got to get cracking on that. Time these I think can go, but where would I put them? Because everything's full. Paper, laminate, trimmer, postage. Mom, have you got some paper? Help yourself. Study cards, planning. Use it for planning, use it for planning. Cute little planny things and sticky notes. I love these, look. So you can write a little message in here. So cute. Beautiful. Beautifuler. Practical. Work in progress. It's in the process of being emptied out to become like a little bit of a mini home garage. All the bits and pieces like command hooks, spare Ikea pieces, all those things which are stored currently in a couple of different places. Empty this out and eventually transform that into a little mini home garage. But this fits nicely, and typically if we do like the colouring in books and stuff, which is what we use those things for, we'll do it out in the lounge room, so this makes sense to have it out here. So I want to light it up with one of these cabinet strip lights. I picked up a 4-pack from Amazon. even cuter. Oh, so cute. Okay, I put a magnet here to stop them from sliding. They kind of slide a little bit, so there. Spoiler alert, I've done this off camera, so I already know what fits. Wait a minute. Oh my god, I haven't emptied it out. Burbies and a mustache. Cute.